Hello students. Today in unit science we are going to study about stars and other objects. Outer space contains endless space with countless objects. The numbers and varieties are mind-boggling, and yet with progress in space research more wondrous discoveries are being made every day. Now you have to fill in the blanks with the name of space objects. The first one is Dash is the brightest star in the night sky. It is over 20 times brighter than our sun and over twice as large. It is called the dog star because of its prominence in the constellation of Canis Majoris. And the answer is Sirius. The second one is a dash is a small star made up of neutrons densely packed together. These stars have huge magnetic fields which emit electromagnetic radiation. They are formed from the core of a star exploding in a supernova. The first such star was discovered in 1967 and the answer is pulsar. The third one is stars much larger than our sun run out of fuel and collapse under their own gravity to zero volume. They form a dash from where not even light can escape. They emit radiation called Hawking radiation and eventually disappear. And the answer is black hole. The fourth one is first mistaken to be stars. They were later recognized as distant galaxies traveling at almost the speed of light. They give out a massive amount of energy, more than any other object in the universe. The energy they give out is the same as about 1 trillion suns. The space object, a dash, has a supermassive black hole at its core and the answer is quasars. The fifth one is Dash is a part of Ursa minor constellation. It is also called the North Star because of its apparent position above the North Pole. It has therefore been of great importance to sea navigation and sailors have relied on it for centuries. It is easy to locate because it is very bright and seems to remain at a fixed point in the sky. And the answer is Polaris. Now, there are some statements given. You have to write whether statements are true or false. The first one is Aurora, after the Roman goddess of the dawn, is the name given to an effect that results in the natural light displays in the polar regions. And the answer is true. Second one is Kohatik is the name of a shooting star. The answer is false. It is a comet. The third one is when the sun runs out of fuel, it will eventually become a red giant. So the answer is true. The fourth one is the closest star to Earth is Andromeda. The answer is false. It is a galaxy. The closest star is Proxima Centauri. Then the fifth one is according to the Big Bang theory, the universe has been expanding for several billion years and is continuing to do so even now. So the answer is true. Let us now study about space exploration. The age of space exploration or the space age began in the late 1950s. The aim of space mission was to explore and learn about our universe, its objects, laws and systems. The space age gave rise to space technology. This new field of study has helped in the invention of many new gadgets and applications such as solar power cells, cordless power tools, laptops, compact discs, satellite TV and telephone communication, weather observation, land surveys, GPS and many more. Now, you have to fill in the blanks to complete the sentences about the space exploration. Now, first one is the space age began on October 4, 1957, when the USSR successfully launched the first artificial satellite dash into orbit around the Earth. And the answer is Sputnik 1. The second one is in 1961, USSR cosmonaut Dash became the first human to travel in space. He also was the first human to orbit the Earth. Both these first were achieved aboard the USSR spacecraft Vostok 1. And the answer is Yuri Gagarin. The third one is in 1963, USSR cosmonaut Dash aboard Vostok 6 became the first woman to travel in space. And the answer is Valentina Tereshkova. The fourth one is the first time any space body other than Earth was orbited by humans was in 1968, when astronauts aboard the US Apollo 8 mission successfully orbited the Dash moon. The fifth one is Lunar Module Eagle landed on the moon on July 16, 1969. Astronaut Neil Armstrong, followed by Edwin Aldrin, got out and descended to the surface of the moon. This first manned moon landing mission was called Dash and was accomplished by the US. And the answer is Apollo 11. The sixth one is a space station is a spacecraft that remains in orbit around the Earth and can be used by astronauts to live in. Astronauts reach it via spacecraft which docks with the station to allow entry and exit of humans and supplies. The first space station was Dash. It was launched by the USSR in 1971. The crew was sent a few weeks later in Soyuz 11 spacecraft, and the answer is Salyut 1. Now, the seventh one is Indian Space Research Organization's ISRO first satellite was named Dash and was launched for us by the USSR in 1975. And the answer is Aryabhatta. 8.1 is the Hubble Space Telescope was launched into orbit around the Earth in 1990 to take very high resolution images of space objects. It will continue to function for another few years, after which its successor, the Dash Space Telescope, will be launched. And the answer is James Webb. The ninth one is launched on 5th November 2013 by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Mangalyaan is a spacecraft that has been orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. This is India's first Dash mission. Other space agencies that have reached Mars are the Soviet Space Program, NASA, and the European Space Agency. And the answer is interplanetary. Now, the question says which planets did this mission target? Match. So the first one is Venera 9. So the answer for Venera 9 is the fourth one, that is Venus orbiter and lander. Next, Messenger. The answer for Messenger is the third one, Mercury orbiter. Next one is Galileo. The answer for Galileo is the seventh one, Jupiter orbiter. Then Cassini-Huygens. The answer for D is 1, that is Saturn orbiter. Next one is Voyager 2. The answer for it is 6-1. That is Uranus and Neptune flyby. Then for New Horizon, the answer is 5th one. That is Dwarf planet Pluto flyby. Then G, Curiosity, and the answer for it is Mars. Let us now study about food and nutrition. Besides air, sunlight and water, we need food to live. Food provides nutrition that enable the body to carry out its growth, repair and other activities. Now, there are some statement givens. Okay, you have to take the correct statement and cross the incorrect ones. So the first statement says trans fats lead to higher cholesterol levels in the body. So the statement is true. It means that you will tick the correct statement. So now the statements which are true, you will tick them, and the statements which will be false, you will put a cross in that statement. Okay. So second one is fat produces more energy than carbohydrate and protein. So this statement is true. The next one is sugars are not essential foods. They provide energy, calories but no nutrition. So the statement is true. Then the fourth one is with the direct sunlight on skin, the body can manufacture its own vitamin D. So the answer is true. The fifth one is drinking the juice of a fruit is better for the body than eating it. So the answer is false. So now the answer is false. It means you will put a cross. The next one is more than 60% of our brain is composed of fat. So the answer is true. It means you will put a tick for the statement. Then the body cannot store excess protein. Eating more protein than necessary will actually result in more fat. So the statement is true. Then the last one is plant food contains fiber that our body can digest fully. So the statement is false. It means that you will put a cross. Now the next one is fill in the blanks. So the first question is dash makes up about 75% of the human body, and the answer is water. The second question is dash are inorganic substances that do not provide energy. They are required to assist in many chemical processes of the body. So the answer is minerals. The third one is fructose, fruit sugars, sucrose, table sugar and lactose. Milk sugar are simple forms of dash, and the answer is carbohydrates. The fourth one is dash and potassium control the body's water balance, and the answer is sodium. Fifth one is to make all the proteins that body needs, 22 different dash are required, and the answer is amino acids. Sixth one is vitamin K and biotin are both produced by dash that live within the intestines, and the answer is bacteria. Seventh one is the body needs dash to transport oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body, and the answer is iron. So I hope you enjoyed today's lecture, today's GK lecture, and you have learned a lot of new things in today's lecture, interesting facts, right? So we'll meet in our next class. Thank you.